Today we'll be looking at Introduction to Pharmacognosy and Organized Crude Drug here at Pharmacology Made Easy. Now, pharmacognosy is a branch of pharmacology that deals with the study of medicinal plants. Pharmacognosy is derived from two words. The first one is pharmacon, which means drug. The second one is gnosko, which means knowledge or to know, from the word gnosis. Now, pharmacognosy is the study of medicine from natural origins, which are your plants, your animals, your minerals. It is the study of the physical, chemical, biochemical, and biological properties of medicinal plants, animals, and microorganisms. And of course, they are used in the development of medicinal products. When we are looking at pharmacognosy here, we are looking at the systematic study of crude drugs. Pharmacognosy has its rich history in ancient civilization through the use of herbal remedies. We are looking at from the Egyptian history, from the Roman Empire. Pharmacognosy have always been there. Let's talk about crude drugs. They are unprocessed or minimally processed plants, animal, or mineral substances used in their natural or raw form for medicinal purpose. They are medicinal plants in raw form. We identify crude drugs through crude drug morphology, which are the physical characteristics through organoleptic evaluation and morphological evaluation, such as the color, the odor, the taste, the size, and the shapes. Organoleptic meaning the use of your senses to identify the medicinal plants that you are dealing with here through the sense of smell, sense of touch, sense of sight. We use these techniques in identifying crude drug through their physical characteristics, and they are very important as to differentiating medicinal plants. Let's talk about the cultivation, collection, processing, and storage of drugs of natural origin. And we're talking about the storage of crude drugs, the cultivation, collection, and processing. We'll take them one after the other, look into details. What are the factors? Now, the first one being cultivation. Now, medicinal plants are grown or cultivated, and there are several factors affecting them, like soil, the rainfall, humidity, irrigation, fertilization, pests, and other environmental factor. We know that some medicinal plants grow in area of high rainfall, area of low humidity, area of high altitudes. So, factoring all these together, we talk about the cultivation of this medicinal plant to yield crude drugs of high value. So if you are to convert all these factors together, they are the factors that are necessary for the cultivation of crude drugs. The second one being collection. Proper timing of collection at the period of high concentration of active metabolites. Proper harvesting. Most medicinal plants, when you are collecting them, maybe early in the morning or in the evening, there are a variety of species that have active, medicinal chemicals. In pharmacology, we call them phytochemicals. They are the chemical constituents that have medicinal value in plants. So when we are talking about collection of crude drugs, we are talking about collecting these crude drugs at the period whereby they are of high concentration of their active metabolite, which has a therapeutic or medicinal value. So you have to collect it at the right time and harvest properly. The third one being processing includes drying, cleaning, sorting, and packaging to prevent contamination. When you are processing crude drugs through the use of its appropriate storage form and stuff like that. The fourth one being storage. We collect crude drugs and we store them in area of controlled temperature, controlled humidity, and pest management. Now, of course, we don't store crude drugs in wooden cupboards and wooden shelves because of humidity and pest. We store them in special containers. Now, talking about the cultivation, the collection, the processing, and the storage of these crude drugs, of these medicinal plants, we are looking at having them at their optimum um, value at which they are most active, they are not degraded, they have their active metabolite, their active medicinal value are intact. Let's take a quick summary of what we learned today. Pharmacognosy is simply the study of medicinal plants or medicine from natural origin. It has a rich history to be used as herbal remedies in ancient civilization. Crude drugs are unprocessed form of naturally occurring substance with medicinal value. Crude drugs are rightly cultivated, collected, processed, and stored unadulterated. If pharmacology was made easy in this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and comment all your questions. Thank you.